Ha-Meem Group is a leading wholesale clothing manufacturer in Bangladesh and in the world. The company produces some of the most fashionable denim fabrics and garment products and owns one of the most comprehensive and resourceful manufacturing facilities in Bangladesh. Ha-Meem today is working with some of the biggest fashion brands of the world. The company has a rich history of 30 years in the textile business that has today evolved into a company with diverse interests like shipping, newspapers, tea gardens, etc. It all started with a garment company in 1984 and two enterprising men, Mr. A.K. Azad and Mr. Delwar's vision to break through in the textile industry and making Ha-Meem Group a leading wholesale clothing manufacturer in Bangladesh. The business activities of Ha-Meem Group have been growing day by day under their energetic leadership. Thus we became a pioneer in wholesale apparel manufacturing in Bangladesh. Also, Ha-Meem Group is very renowned for its wholesale apparel manufacturing in both Europe and America. Today Ha-Meem Group employs around 50,000 workers and the company has 26 garment factories consisting of 300 production lines and 7 washing plants to produce 7 million pieces per month. Our slasher dyeing and rope dyeing denim production is 4 million meters per month.